What impressed me more than anything about this year's entries was never ceases to amaze me the level, if you like, of human creativity. I think the four winners this time, perhaps the overriding factor for me personally was that they had a real simplicity about them. It wasn't something that they were over-designing, overthinking. They were simple, but they were also very emotive as well.
This year it was quite impressive how many proposals were very much about really saving the earth and really responsible proposals. It's a high act to design and develop things that can really help the world.
The winners impressed us jurors because they were really striving to make the world a better place, but that's something that so many of the participants have in common. But they were doing it with even more elegance than the others.
And the biggest expectation I have for the four winners going forward is for them to be open-minded and work with the mentor system, to take their ideas to the next level.
I would advise the winners to really take advantage of the mentors. Just figure out from the beginning what you would like to know and how you would like to improve your piece.
I guess my expectations for the winners are to see these things manifested, which will be amazing.
Design for a better tomorrow, what that means to me is simply that design should facilitate a future for everyone that they can live on their own terms, a more enjoyable, fruitful, and beneficial future.